A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Pastor Masaya was abducted and killed by the regime on 13 November 2023. Comrade Gift Ostalos, who is the deputy spokesperson of CCC, said, "This morning we will gather in Mabvuku to pay our condolences to our champion and Pastor Masaya, who was abducted, tortured, and killed for believing in a new Zimbabwe. We live in a country with zero disregard of the law, ruled by men and women with no respect to the sanctity of life. No one deserves to die on account of politics. Rest in peace, champion Pastor Masaya." This is what the deputy spokesperson had to say after the demise of the change champion from Mabvuku. So Prince Sanze, this is said, may his soul rest in peace. May his death not be in vain. What would all say? Okay, so Paso said that they brutally killed him. Zim is no longer a democratic country. No wonder why many people are leaving. The elephant is in the room is ED and Zanu. Change is what we believe in, and with God, we are more than a conqueror who will prevail in the midst of all obstacles. Mabvuku says as the streets in the morning to show Scott the red card. And whilst there, please tell Scott to find another way of getting a diplomatic passport. Imagine how much gold he would take to Dubai. We will not wait there. We shall fight until victory is upon us. We don't believe in ZANU-PF since Gukura Windows. Very disheartening. What's scary is they are not stopping the killings anytime soon. ZANU haidi kuramba ichisekererwa. And what's the cause of was the cause of death necessary? Okay, citizens must strike. Harsh protest, violent protest can do. Okay, this is Mashingo. And forever in our hearts. Chanzuchenjere kuriwa futi kwauri kuenda ikoko. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. Triple C announced that they are going to Mabvuku for the funeral of Pastor Masaya, who was murdered a few days ago. So let us try to see if there is any activity right now in Mabvuku. Okay, let us see if there is anything happening in Mabvuku right now. I cannot see from what I can see on the Twitter handle. I cannot see any updates from Mabvuku at this moment in time, at this juncture. But to continue to give you updates and tell you what is really happening in the area of Mabvuku. So my heart bleeds. It's difficult in Zimbabwe for you to lose a friend, a family man, a leader, a father. It's something very difficult to comprehend. But ndozvo zviri Mwari kutonga kwavo. And these murderers, they do this with impunity because they believe that they are untouchable. But one day it will come to